I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the 6th lesson of Standard 3. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus Cordoba Publications. Please like, please share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the poem Mothers Are For. Mothers are our best friends. They share not only our joys but our sorrows too. So the poet is saying that mothers are our best friends. They not only share our joys but our sorrows. Sorrows means the feeling of sadness and joys means the feeling of happiness. Then read and appreciate this poem about mothers. So this poem is about mothers. Mothers are for loving you when you are good or if you are good or bad. Mothers are for sharing whatever makes you glad. So the poet is saying that mothers are for loving you if you are good or bad. Even if you are good or bad, mothers always love you. Mothers are for sharing whatever makes you glad. So it is the mothers who always share and whatever makes you happy. Mothers are for sharing whatever makes you happy. Mothers are for laughing at your favorite jokes. So mothers always laugh at your favorite jokes. What is favorite? Like something more than others of the same kind. Favorite. Mothers are for laughing at your favorite jokes. So whenever you say favorite joke, it is mothers who laugh at your favorite jokes. Mothers are for helping you to get on with other folks. So mothers always help you to get on with other people. Mothers are for telephones when they ring. So mothers are for telephones when they ring. So it is a mother who go and pick up the telephone first when they ring. Mothers are for pushing when you are on a swing. Mothers are for pushing when you are on a swing. So it is the mother who pushes the swing when you are sitting on it. Mothers are for loving when you snuggle up so tight. So mothers are for loving when you snuggle. Snuggle means to get into a comfortable position is called snuggle. Mothers are for kissing you a sweet and kind good night. So always mother will kiss you and give you a sweet and kind good night. Mothers are for baking yummy birthday cakes. Mothers are for nursing you when your tummy aches. So the poet is saying that mothers are for baking yummy delicious cake. Mother always bakes yummy delicious. Yummy means delicious birthday cakes. Mothers are for nursing you when your tummy aches. But mothers always nurses you or takes care when your tummy aches. Tummy means stomach. When your tummy means stomach and aches means pain. Mothers are for cuddling you when you have to weep. So mothers always cuddling. Cuddling means holding someone close in the arms is called cuddling. So mothers always cuddles you when you are to weep. When you have to weep, that is when you have to cry, it is the mother who cuddles you. Mothers are for covering you when you fall asleep. So when you are sleeping, it is the mother who comes and cover you. The poem is written by Dorothy Hewitt. Now let's go to the summary of this poem. The poet depicts the unconditional love of mothers for their children. Children share a strong bond of love and affection with their mothers. Mothers are always seen embracing their children, being protective shield. They are always concerned about the safety and well-being of their children. It is a beautiful poem which describes the warm sentiments and lovely nature of all mothers who are so caring and affectionate. Now let's go to the exercise part of the poem. Now, write 4 things that your mother does for you. What are the 4 things that your mother does for you? She cooks delicious food. She plays with me. She helps me in my studies. And she wakes me up daily. Then, Now write 4 things you do for your mother. What are the 4 things you do for your mother? I accompany her to the market. Then I sometimes help her in the household work. Then I remind her to take medicine on time. Next, I obey her. Okay. Now, mothers are for loving you, but sometimes they scold you too. Why do you think they do so? A. Because they don't love you. B. They love you. C. They love you and therefore want to protect you and make you do the right things. It is they love you and therefore they want to protect you and make you do the right things. Now, the poet talks about mothers who shower care and affection on their kids. Find out action words from the poem that show a mother love and affection. That is, few action words from the poem are loving, sharing, laughing, helping, pushing swings, kissing, baking, nursing and cuddling. Now let's discuss the one word of this poem. Favorite. To like something more than others of the same kind is called favorite. Folk means people in general. Joke means things that one says or does to make people laugh. Joys means the feeling of great happiness. Pushing means moving something in a particular direction with force. Share means to be equally involved in something or responsible for something. Then, snuggle means to get into a comfortable position, especially close to somebody. Then, sorrow means feelings of great sadness. I hope you all understood the summary of this poem. Please read this poem and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you all understood my poem. Please share this with your friends and relatives. Okay children, I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.